Good afternoon, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Copious amounts of Pacific moisture are streaming through southwest and south central Alaska and into southeast. Around the Gulf of Alaska, it is a wet day and not going to get any drier anytime soon. A lot of that moisture is also working its way northward. We have snow across the Arctic coast and new ice forming in the Arctic. About 350 nautical miles is where most of the growth is happening north of the Arctic coast, but we are going to see some new ice forming in a very short amount of time across some of the Beaufort and Chukchi seas in the coming weeks. So winter is on the way. Look out across the west shows 1,002 millibar low working off the eastern coast of Russia and moving eastward. That frontal boundary along with it will be dying out, and several waves of low pressure will be following that. So watch for continuation of rain across the western coast, southwest, and south central, moving towards southeast through the rest of the week. It will be cool enough across most of the middle and upper Yukon valleys to see occasional rounds of rain mixed with snow and snow showers across the western Brooks Range. Watch for areas of fog across the Arctic coast through tonight, with snow showers continuing up and down the Alcan border, especially east of the Brooks Range. Across the Aleutians, it'll be fog with occasional rounds of rain and drizzle. Another wave of low pressure moves into Bristol Bay at 993 millibars. That keeps us north and westerly wind moving right up against the Bering Sea coast of the Alaska Peninsula. That'll keep areas of poor visibility in the region as well. Looking at Kodiak Island, expect periods of rainfall as we get into Wednesday. More rain for the Kenai Peninsula and Cook Inlet, as well as Prince William Sound, as low pressure moves just to the north and east of Anchorage and the Matanuska Valley, heading for the Copper River Basin. Pockets of rainfall are expected across most of southeast. Looks fairly soggy there through Thursday, with rainfall picking up as we head into Thursday morning, especially for northern parts of southeast. Low pressure, another wave working across the Cook Inlet at 990 millibars, and even wetter and warmer air across the southern Gulf of Alaska. That will most likely impact southeast as we head toward the end of the week. Pockets of light snow still expected across the coastal plain, with areas of fog right along the coast itself for Thursday. Look for areas of rain mixed with snow around the Bering Strait, and more of a northerly flow working down the west coast, with showers and occasional rainfall heading toward Bristol Bay and the YK Delta. With Alaska statewide weather, this is Meteor